Welcome to our in-depth review of the True Cable Cat6A riser Ethernet cable. This 1,000 feet bulk cable is designed for those who require high-speed, reliable connectivity in their home, office, or data center environments. The primary purpose of this cable is to support modern network demands, providing unparalleled performance with compatibility for both 1 gigabit and 10 gigabit Ethernet connections up to 328 feet. For users demanding smooth Full HD and 4K streaming, online gaming, or business networking, this cable promises to deliver where others might fall short. One of the most notable features of this cable is its superior build quality, evidenced by its 23 ABLE-G solid bare copper construction. This results in enhanced conductivity, stronger signal strength, and longer durability compared to cables that use copper-clad aluminum. Furthermore, the cable's capability to support Power over Ethernet (PoE), whether PoE, PoE+, or even PoE++, makes it highly versatile. With a support threshold of up to 100 watts, it's well suited for powering network devices such as security cameras and wireless access points without needing additional power sources. The design of the cable is purposefully user-friendly. It comes with a tangle-free, easy-pull reel that features sequential 2-feet markings along its 1,000 feet length, ensuring precise measurement and hassle-free setup. The riser-rated PVC jacket is crafted for vertical runs, making it ideal for installations between floors or within walls in non-plenum spaces. This mild flame retardant helps prevent the spread of fires through the building, adding an extra layer of safety in residential and commercial settings. In real-life testing, users have noted that the cable maintains consistent performance even in demanding environments. Its solid performance under load and resistance to interference make it a reliable option for both professional and home network setups. However, while the cable offers excellent performance, one potential drawback is its bulk. Due to its robust build, handling and installation might require a bit more effort compared to thinner, less durable alternatives. When compared to similar products on the market, True Cable stands out with its rigorous field testing using the Fluke DSX 8000 Versive Cable Analyzer and strict adherence to ANSI TA 568.2-E standards. This, paired with its RoHS 3 compliance and CET list certification, truly sets the cable apart. For those looking to get the most out of this product, it is advised to ensure proper installation practices are followed and to make use of the marked reel for accurate cable measurement. In summary, the True Cable Cat6A riser Ethernet cable is an excellent choice for anyone needing reliable, high-speed connectivity in a variety of environments. Enjoy robust performance, versatile installation options, and peace of mind knowing your network is backed by quality and rigorous testing. Thank you for watching, and happy